Hello everyone, it's James Chamberlain, and today I have a vlog that I am really looking forward to doing. We're going to be heading up to Rock Creek, and we're going to be staying at a campground right near Rock Creek Lake, where we're going to be doing some boating. We're going to get to take Panu out, and I'm going to get to take out the little inflatable raft. I am just really excited for this one. I can't wait to vlog that. It's going to be a really fun trip. So without further ado, let's just get started and let the journey begin. So we just made it here to camp, and we're gonna get the tent set up. Alright, so we just got our camp set up here, and we're gonna get ready to go boating. I'm gonna go ahead and air up the inflatable, and we're gonna get the canoe launched, and I am really looking forward to this. Alright, let's get the raft out from the bear box in here. These are... how are you supposed to open this? This seems to be working, wearing two backpacks at the same time. Unfortunately, I don't have my good raft here, so I'm stuck using this little like Intex Explorer, which is kind of more of a beach toy, but we'll see what we can do out here. Hopefully we can still get out and have a little bit of fun. Yeah. Oh, and this just broke. Wonderful. All right, well, we made it back. That was definitely an experience and a half. I am really embarrassed myself. I did something super dumb, and I somehow managed to forget my life vest. Despite me saying, oh, I'm gonna get my life vest right before we go out, let me get my life vest on. I didn't know what happened. I was just so concerned with trying to get the boat launched that I totally forgot. Really dumb on my part. You guys have to make completely sure that you always remember your life vest when you're going out on the water. I certainly am never gonna forget this, and I'm gonna be much more careful in the future. Still very beautiful, even when it's overcast. It's still extremely beautiful. We just made it here to Tom's place and I am extremely hungry. Ever since we arrived at camp, I've been starving. So finally we're going to be eating and having some dinner. Haven't been here in an extremely long time, so I'm really looking forward to it. I am absolutely stuffed now. That was a super good dinner here at Tom's place. Now we're going to head back to camp and get our sleeping arrangements set up. Okay guys, we just made it back to camp. We just had breakfast. I just had a breakfast sandwich. The breakfast sandwiches they have here are really good. And now we're heading down to the lake to do some more boating. Of course, this time I will be wearing a life jacket, but let's get down there and do it. I brought some swim trunks. I might swim, I might not. I hope you enjoyed this short little one-night trip. I certainly had a great time. It brought back a lot of memories for me personally. When I was much younger, we used to go there. Paddling the canoe through the water was just so fun. It really is a nice, relaxing experience being out there. The lake was absolutely beautiful, and I think I got some great footage too. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and maybe even subscribe. Goodbye, everyone. Of course, this time I will be wearing a life jacket, but we were able to do it, so that's the good thing. Oh, Kibo just got. This pump is very hard to pump. Most of these are smooth. This thing is beyond easy to pump. I don't know what the problem is. I am standing on a table right now. I am barefoot, and there are ants all over here on the ground. Looking forward to doing some more vlogs. This was quite a neat trip. I hope you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, and maybe even,